Hello children, welcome with Vinita Agarwal. Today we will study how our body works. Our body is a living machine. We are a living machine. हम machine की तरह काम कर सकते हैं. Yes? And we are living also. So it's a living machine. It has two types of organs, external and internal. Two types of organs होते हैं external मतलब जिनको हम देख सकते हैं, which we can see, like our eyes, nose, mouth, fingers, hand. These are called the external organs. Internal organs which are inside our body, which we cannot see with our eyes. Organs are parts of our body. Organs हमारे body के एक part होते हैं. External organs are those that can be seen. External organs are those which we can see, जो हम देख सकते हैं. Here you have to fill the external organs. Yes, it's a revision, but we will be going through it again. Eyes. This is eyes, which helps you to see. It helps you to see everything. Colors, the area around you, everything you can see with your eyes. But be protective to your eyes. Don't scratch your eyes. Don't put any sharp things in your eyes. It will damage your eyes. Okay? Ear. This is ear. With the help of ear, you can hear the sound. Any type of sound you will hear with the help of a ear. Nose. This helps you to breathe and smell. This part is called the cheek. It is chubby cheeks. Mouth. This is the mouth through which you eat your food. Neck. This is the neck part which helps you to move your face up, down, this side, that side. Yes? This is shoulder. By the help of this, you can move your arms. Chest. Back. This is your back portion, children. You should always keep your back straight while sitting or while standing. Arms. This is your arm. It helps to hold the things. This is your hand. You can catch many things in this hand. Fingers. This helps you to grabble the things, to hold the things. Leg. It helps you to move and run. Foot. This is your foot. It helps you to stand and walk. Toes. These are your toes. Skin. Your whole body is covered with this skin. Yes, children? You should always keep your skin clean. So, you should take the bath daily. And you should always wash your hand many times in a day. I will tell you the steps how you can wash your hand properly and remain free from germs. Here we see the video. See, rub it. Rub between the fingers. Nails, washing the nails, cleaning the nails. Thumb cleaning. Follow the steps, children. Yes. Now rinse with water. Now wipe with clean towel. Yes. Please follow these steps and wait for the next session. We will do external organs, internal organs. Today we have done external organs. In the next session, we will do internal organs.